Okay, this is an instructional video on how to use the new Apps Anywhere software. So we're at a lab computer here, and I'm going to have one of the staff people log in with their student accounts. So go ahead. That's going to be the first screen. Here's the next screen, and you type in your student username as you normally would, and you type in your student password, your password as you normally would. Okay, it'll show your first and your last name that's on the system. This is very normal. And it's going to say welcome, and there's going to be a spinning set of balls there, and spinning away. It's basically, building a profile for you. It's going to be slow like this the first time, okay? It's saying that now it is preparing Windows, and here we are at the next screen. So here's the new background that we have, okay? And basically we got the York logo right over here, and we got, a little warning disclaimer message here. This computer will restart after 30 minutes of inactivity. Make sure you save your work to the F drive there. And there's actually this new background that's got this arrow there pointing, saying that access your applications here. So we're going to try that out. So what you do is you take your mouse and you click on that up there on the top left there. And when you click on it, it'll show you this, and it's got, you got to read through this, and you have to accept that disclaimer. Okay, so you read through it, and of course you would accept. Okay, you click on it, and there we go. So now we are actually in the Apps Anywhere startup environment, let's call it that. And basically, it's got all these different applications for you. Just to show you around. There's a feedback form here. Here's ArcGIS. Here's Chrome. Here's Excel. If you scroll down a little bit more, you see all the different applications that you normally would have loaded on your machine. Only that now, this is actually how you would access and start up these applications. All right. So let's say you wanted to start up. Let's try opening Maple 18. Let's try Maple 18. So you click on it. It's launching. Here's the Apps Anywhere screen. Just give it a moment. It's going to take a little bit of a moment. Okay, it's saying that it's starting your app. Okay, just let it run. Okay, it could be a pretty big piece of software, so it might take a little bit of time. Okay, and there we go. It looks like it's almost ready to go. It's starting up. It's spinning away. And if you don't mind, let's click on that. So here we go. Here's Maple 18. So this is a successful launch of the software. And now the software is up, and you do your business in Maple, okay? And if you want to do what you need to do normally, you just do as you normally would do, okay? So let's just close this piece of software. We don't need it anymore. We're going to do a different demo. But pretty much anything that you need in terms of software, that's where you're going to find it. Let's go down to the Windows icon there at the bottom left and click on that. So if you want to open up the calculator, for example, you just do the same, okay? Bingo bango, we got the calculator. Let's close that. And let's try opening up anything else. How about, something that's like you can also try to click on the applications through this method. So let's click on Excel 2016, okay? We chose that as an example because certain pieces of software might actually be loaded already on through that login. Now, if you get this screen whenever you're using a Microsoft product, this is the activation, okay? So pretty much you have to put in your student login, okay, and you hit next, and put in your password as a student, okay, and now, accept, and now this piece of software is ready for you to use, okay. This is just licensing part of how we use Microsoft software within this environment. Okay, so go ahead and close this. We don't need this anymore. And and lastly, here we're just going to demonstrate a shutdown procedure, a logout. So of course you want to make sure you save anything that you need to save, and for security and safety, you just log out over there. And that's it. That completes this training video. The machine is now restarting, and that's about it.